It's Saab 9.5. It's this combi or station wagon or whatever you call it. The paint itself, it looks quite terrific. This is the model that I have now, this Saab 9.5 Sport Combi in this nice light blue color. So here is the great nice BMW, and if you are a fan of German cars, then you would definitely appreciate this one because it's so beautiful. And it's so big and so long, and I don't know what to do with that right now. Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing, reviewing and then also rating this beautiful DNA Collectibles 1:18 scale model which just came in, and actually I will not disclose what it is, maybe you already know because you read the title of this video, but okay, I will just tell you later. Now the first step is really the unboxing, so let's do it now. So there is this DNA tape which I'm just going to cut here, so let me do this gentle cut with my scissors. Easy. Okay, now there is styrofoam inside. Oh, what's the best way to do this? Oh, sometimes I simply open it like this. So here we go. Okay, here we go. I already see the product. Oh, it's really solid. Okay, good, here we go. So, DNA Collectibles. And now you already know what is inside. It's this Saab 9.3 Viggen Coupe. And actually, this is another Saab, and as I already told you in my previous videos, actually DNA is focusing on some brands that other companies are ignoring. So for example, a lot of Volvo, Saab, and recently also some other cars from the past, like this one is not really a model from the recent times. This is from the 1990s or 2000, something around that. This one is produced in a blue color, very nice resin model, resin replica. So let's continue and do also more unboxing. All right, good. So I like this transparent box, and now we have this frame, and there are actually 4 screws, as you can see here. So what I really need to do now is to remove those 4 screws. Okay, so let's do that. What is the best way? So I usually do it like this with my screwdriver, of course, and actually I don't want to touch it so much with my... Always be careful, do not touch the glass, so because otherwise you could have problems removing the fingerprints. Now I just hold it like with my 2 fingers. One is on the door, second somewhere on the undercarriage. Okay, 2 screws, 2 more to go. This front, it was much easier. Okay, I think we are done here. So very careful here. Okay. Good. So good to see it. So it's 100% perfect. So the paint, wow. I really like the paint. It's probably the same paint that I have on my real car. Maybe a bit darker. And Oh, wow. I think it's flawless. It looks flawless. So no mistakes. But now let's review it step by step. Okay, so I will just change the camera. All right, so let's start here really in the front. And I will also take this door opening tool to show you the details. So here, very tiny Saab logo, and then there is this emblem a bit larger, exactly in the middle. So very nicely done. Then we have the headlights and with small wipers here. So what you can see, very nice detail, small wipers to clean the headlights. And then, of course, we have something here, additional air intake or grill, which is perforated, which is very nice. And then some fog lights here. Okay, so quite nice in the front. I mean, very realistic. And then when we proceed to the side, to the wheels, you see that there are brake discs, brake calipers. Then can we actually turn it or spin it? Yeah, not that easy. It's not that easy. Usually they put a little bit of glue there, so that you can't do that because it's for display only. But yeah, look at that. Chassis 60 out of 500, which means only 500 pieces were made, and this is one of them. Okay, but let's continue here. Oh, look at what is this? I've actually never seen that. So first, the turning indicator, and then above there's a symbol which I'm not so familiar with. Maybe if you are a specialist for Saab cars, then you would know what this means on this 9.3 Viggen Coupe. And of course, since it's coupe, it only has 2 doors, not 4. And actually, yeah, this was mentioned like a sports car. And in the back, actually, the wheel is exactly the same tires, and actually, yeah, it's rubber, so it feels good. And then this door handle with a key fob, all good. And actually later we will also check what is what is actually inside. The steering wheel, all the details. Oh, there is a sunroof actually, which is also a very nice detail. And also a very tiny antenna here. Okay, so now let's check also in the back what we have here. On all the DNA cars, I'm missing the license plate. So also here there is no license plate, which is actually a shame. I would really love to see it there, and hopefully in future they will also make it. Good. Then this 93 or 93 we have here, and then the Saab logo again here, and one more time Saab. It's not logo, it's actually the Saab brand or whatever you call it. It's just there where it should be. Okay, and then the exhaust. And I'm always checking if the exhaust, okay, actually there is some space. Okay, it's real, empty and realistic. Okay, then we also have this wing, which is quite unusual, but since this is more a sport version of this Saab 9.3, it's also with a wing. And as I said, a lot of wipers. There is one additional wiper here on this rear glass. We also have the gas door here, another nice feature. But now one more time the undercarriage. So the exhaust here, this is the compartment for the spare tire, and actually then the rest is flat, and not that much visible. Again here we have a sunroof, and one more time let me try to show you what we have inside. There is a lot of reflection, but at least now, the dashboard is now visible. Look at that. Steering wheel, radio, air conditioning, and in the back, we have actually seats also in the back, so 2 rows of seats, and it looks quite nice. So this is the car. So as you can see, this model is very nicely done. Yeah, so the paint is excellent. It's definitely 10 out of 10. Exterior details are also quite nice. I would mean like 9 out of 10 for the exterior. There are no mistakes, nothing wrong. And yeah, it's a shame that it's a resin car, but yeah, for the price, and you also need to consider that there is really no other option. Yeah, so if you like Saab cars, then DNA is the manufacturer of choice, because they produce now a lot of different Saab models. Yeah, like this one in blue color. I hope, and no, not that I would be hoping, I'm sure they are producing many colors. Yeah, so this blue color is not the only one. Okay, so overall, the execution is fantastic. It's a resin replica, and what I also like, and what I mean, it's quite unusual, and I hope you can see it now. In this wing, there's actually a hole. Yeah, it's cut here so that the Viper can fit there. Yeah, so it's really a custom wing with this section here, which is prepared for the Viper. Yeah, okay, interesting fact. Okay, and then the interior, as I showed you, is also very nicely done. Unfortunately, I can't open the door to really show you exactly what is inside, but believe me, the seats, dashboard, and everything is executed very nicely. Good. So I hope you enjoyed, and now only time for the final rating. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.